days, time, and talking about your schedule in Tagalog. Parts of the day. Madaling araw or dawn. Umaga or morning. Tanghali or noon. Hapon or afternoon. Gabi or evening. In a sentence, naglalakad kami tuwing hapon or we walk every afternoon. Another, namimili ako sa palengke tuwing umaga or I shop at the market every morning. Different days of the week. Linggo or Sunday, Lunes or Monday, Martes or Tuesday, Miyerkules or Wednesday, Jueves or Thursday, Biyernes or Friday, and Sabado or Saturday. In a sentence, pupunta kami sa Luneta sa Miyerkules or we will go to Luneta on Wednesday. Another, aalis siya sa Biyernes or she will leave on Friday. The different months in a year are Enero for January, Febrero for February, Marzo for March, Abril for April, Mayo for May, Junio for June, Julio for July, Agosto for August, Septiembre for September, Octubre for October, Nobyembre for November, and Disyembre for December. In a sentence, bumalik siya noong Agosto or she went back last August. Another, ikakasal sila sa Oktubre or they are going to get married in October. The other ways to tell time are araw for day, kagabi for last night, bukas for tomorrow, kahapon for yesterday, kanina for earlier, ngayon for now, mamaya for later, taon for year, buwan for month, and week for linggo. Linggo for week and linggo for Sunday is the same. Hence, context is important. In a sentence, dumating siya sa bahay kagabi or he arrived home last night. Another, binigay niya yan noong nakaraang linggo or she gave that last week. For the first assessment, match the time. For the last assessment, provide the following translations.